Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my channel Conceptual Lectures by MSH. Today we will discuss about cast iron. What is cast iron? Cast iron is basically called cast iron because it is made through casting. The carbon percentage in cast iron is 2.1 to 4.3 to 6.67%. Basically the carbon percentage is 2.1 to 6.67%, and from 2.1% to 4.3% the cast iron is called hypoeutectic cast iron, and from 4.3% to 6.67% cast iron is called hypereutectic cast iron. Its hardness is about 115 to 200 BHN and its melting point is 1140 to 1200 degrees Celsius. The micro constituents of cast iron are austenite, cementite and pearlite, but not bainite. When cast iron is in the molten state, most of the carbon present is as iron carbide or cementite form. Now we will decide that the carbon remains as iron carbide or in the graphite form. If we do rapid cooling, the carbon remains as Fe3C, iron carbide or cementite, while if we do slow cooling, it favors the precipitation of graphite due to the decomposition of iron carbide into iron and graphite. Basically, the elemental or uncombined forms of carbon in cast iron are graphite flakes and graphite nodules, due to which the types of cast iron are defined. Cast iron is manufactured in cupola furnace. Now we will come to the properties. Cast iron is very brittle. It has high damping capacity. It is better in fluidity and castability than steel. Its compressive strength is more than the tensile strength, and it has the lowest ultimate tensile strength among the carbon steels and wrought iron. It is generally classified by tensile strength. It is used for making shock resisting parts because it has high damping capacity. So it's some information about the cast iron. Hope you would like it. Thank you so much. Kindly like the video and subscribe my channel.